Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Mr. English Channel, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Emily.
Hello, Emily. Hi, everyone. It's great to be here with all of you. How are you today, Emily?
I'm great, Paul. So happy for another episode. How about you?
I'm fantastic. I am ready to talk about English. I love our podcast.
Me too! And to all our listeners, thank you for joining us. If you are new, please subscribe to our channel.
Yes, and click the like button. It helps us a lot. And please share our podcast with your friends and family.
Exactly. The more, the merrier. So, Paul, are you ready for today's topic?
I am ready. What are we talking about today? It's a surprise for me.
Okay. Today, we are talking about phrasal verbs.
Phrasal verbs. That sounds a little difficult. Are they hard?
Not at all. They sound difficult, but they are easy. And they are very, very common in English. We use them every day.
Okay, good. So, phrasal verbs made easy. I like that. So, what is a phrasal verb?
That's a great question. A phrasal verb is a verb and a small word together, like a team.
A team. I like that. A verb team. So, a verb like go and a small word like on.
Yes, exactly. Or a verb like put and a small word like on. The two words together have a special meaning.
Okay. So the two words work together. I see. Can we start with an easy one?
Of course. Let's start with a very friendly one. Imagine I am at your door. Knock, knock.
Who is it? Oh, it's Emily. Please come in.
Yes, perfect. Come in. That is our first phrasal verb. It means to enter a place, like a house or a room.
Come in. That is easy. The house is open. Come in. The store is open. Come in.
Exactly. Welcome, come in. It's a very nice and polite phrase.
I like it. Very welcoming. Okay, I am in your house now. Hello.
Hello, Paul. Welcome. Please, sit down.
Another one. Sit down. I know this one. It means to sit in a chair or on a sofa.
You got it. Sit down. It's very common. A teacher says to the students, "Good morning, everyone. Please sit down."
Yes. Or when I am tired, I want to sit down.
Me too. After a long day, I love to sit down on my sofa.
So we have come in and sit down. What is the opposite of sit down?
Ooh, good question. The opposite is stand up.
Stand up, of course. So, I am sitting now, and if the phone rings in the other room, I need to stand up and get it.
Perfect example. Or, in a class, when the teacher enters the room, sometimes the students stand up.
Yes, to say hello. That's very polite. So, I can sit down and I can stand up. These are opposites.
They are. It's like on and off. Sit down, stand up. Easy to remember together.
Okay, I like this. Phrasal verbs are not so scary. They're just little teams of words.
That's the perfect way to think about it, Paul. A word team.
So, Emily, I am in your house. I came in and I sat down. Now what?
Well, look. Oh no, my keys are on the floor. Can you help me?
Of course. I will pick up your keys for you. Here you are.
Thank you, Paul. You used another phrasal verb, pick up.
Oh, I did. Pick up. It means to take something from a low place with your hands.
Yes, you pick up something from the floor or from a table. I need to pick up my bag before I leave the house.
Ah, yes. Or I need to pick up my child from school. Is that the same?
That's a great example. Yes, the meaning is a little different, but the idea is the same. You go and get your child. You pick up your child.
Wow. So one phrasal verb can have more than one meaning?
Sometimes, yes, but the meanings are often similar. You are collecting something or someone. You pick up the keys. You pick up your child.
I see. That makes sense. Okay, so I picked up your keys. Now, what do I do with them?
You can put down the keys on the table, please.
Ah, the opposite of pick up, to put down.
Yes, exactly. You pick up something and then you put down something.
So I pick up my cup of coffee to drink. When I am finished, I put down my cup.
Perfect. You are a natural at this, Paul. That's a perfect example.
Thank you, Emily. You are a good teacher. So, pick up and put down. Another team of opposites.
Yes, it's easier to learn them in pairs, I think. Sit down, stand up, pick up, put down.
I agree. It helps my brain remember. Okay, what's next on our phrasal verb journey?
Let's think of another situation. I have a new puppy. He is very small and cute.
Oh, a puppy? I love puppies. They are a lot of work.
They are. I need to look after my puppy.
Look after? What does that mean?
It means to take care of someone or something. I give my puppy food and water. I play with him. I look after him.
Ah, like a mother and a baby. The mother needs to look after her baby.
Yes, exactly. You can look after a person, an animal, or even a plant. I have a small plant on my desk. I need to look after it.
So you give the plant water and sun, you look after it.
You got it. It's a very kind and caring phrasal verb. Do you look after anything, Paul?
I have a car. I need to look after my car. I wash it and take it for checks.
That's a great example. You take care of your car, so you look after it. That's fantastic.
Great. So we have come in, sit down, stand up, pick up, put down, and look after. Wow, that's 6 already.
See, it's not so hard. They are everywhere in English.
I see that now. Okay, give me another one. I am feeling confident.
Okay, Mr. Confident, let's talk about something that is sometimes difficult, learning a new skill.
Ah, yes, like learning English. Sometimes I make mistakes. I feel sad and I want to stop.
I understand that feeling, but it's very important that you do not give up.
Give up? Does that mean to stop trying?
Yes, exactly. To give up means to quit or to stop doing something because it is too hard.
So the message is don't give up on learning English.
Yes, never give up. It can be difficult, but you can do it. Keep going.
I like that. It's very positive. I was playing a game yesterday, and it was very hard, but I did not give up, and I won.
That's a wonderful story. You didn't give up and you succeeded. Good for you.
Thank you. It was a good feeling. So, give up is a phrasal verb I should not do.
Yes, in life, it's good to not give up. It's a good phrasal verb to know, but not always a good one to do.
I understand. It's important to know the meaning. Okay, I will not give up. What's next?
Let's go to a store, a clothes store. I see a beautiful blue shirt. I like it.
Oh, nice. Is it your size?
I don't know. I need to try it on.
Try on. Ah, so you take the shirt to the special room, the fitting room, and you put it on to see if it fits.
Yes, that's exactly what try on means. You try on clothes, shoes, hats, anything you wear.
That is a very useful phrasal verb for shopping. I want to buy new shoes. I need to try them on first.
You do. You need to see if they are comfortable. You can't buy shoes if you don't try them on.
Very true. I tried on a hat yesterday. It was too big for my head.
So you didn't buy it?
No, I didn't. I'm glad I tried it on first. So, try on. A very practical phrasal verb.
It is. We use it all the time when we talk about shopping.
Okay, I feel like we have a good list now. Can we review them?
Great idea. A little review is always good. You start.
Okay, the first one was when you were at my door. I said, "Please come in."
Perfect. Then I said, "Thank you, Paul. I am tired, so I will sit down."
And the opposite of sit down is stand up. The class will stand up when the teacher arrives.
Excellent. Then my keys were on the floor. You said you would pick them up.
And after I pick them up, I can put them down on the table. Pick up and put down.
You are doing so well. Then we talked about my new puppy. I need to look after my puppy.
Yes, to look after someone is to take care of them. It's a very kind verb.
It is. Then we talked about a difficult game. You didn't stop. You didn't give up.
Never give up. That's my new motto.
I love it. And finally, at the clothes store, if you like a shirt, you should try it on.
Yes, try it on to see if it is the correct size. Wow, that's 8 phrasal verbs. And I understand all of them.
See, I told you it was easy. The secret is to learn them in a situation, with an example.
I agree 100%. Just learning a list of words is hard, but learning them in a story, like you at my door, is much easier.
Yes, our brains remember stories and pictures. When you think of come in, you can see a door opening.
Exactly. And when I think of pick up, I can see my hand moving to get the keys from the floor.
This is the best way to learn vocabulary, not just phrasal verbs, but all new words. Connect them to an image or a feeling.
That is a fantastic tip, Emily. For all our listeners, that is a super important tip. Connect new words to a picture in your head.
It really works. And don't be afraid of phrasal verbs. They are your friends. They make your English sound much more natural.
Yes, before I thought they were strange. Why 2 words? But now I see they are just normal parts of conversation.
They are. We use them without even thinking. So, listeners, when you watch a movie or listen to a song in English, try to hear the phrasal verbs.
That's a great idea for practice. I will listen for sit down or look after when I watch my favorite show tonight.
Fun homework. and you will be surprised how many you hear. They are everywhere.
I believe it now. Emily, this was so helpful. I feel much better about phrasal verbs.
I'm so happy to hear that, Paul. They are just one more fun part of learning English.
It's true. Learning English with you and our listeners is always fun.
I feel the same way. Well, I think our time is almost over for today. That went by so fast.
It really did. Time flies when you're having fun.
So true. Before we go, a big thank you to everyone listening today. We hope you learned a lot and had fun with us.
Yes, thank you all. And please don't forget to subscribe to Mr. English Channel so you don't miss our next episode.
And give this episode a big thumbs up, a like, and please share it with your friends who are also learning English.
And we have a question for you. Please leave a comment below. Tell us which phrasal verb from today's episode is your favorite.
Ooh, I love that question. Or you can write a sentence using one of the phrasal verbs we talked about today.
Great idea. We love reading your comments. It makes us so happy to see you practice.
It really does. So until next time, keep practicing, don't give up, and have fun with English.
Yes. Goodbye for now, everyone.
Bye, everyone. Take care.